Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on AliExpress. To not fix or how to solve the problem of queue on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to AliExpress and you can click OK. You can go to AliExpress. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.